Are you sick and tired of paying for ads? If answer is yes, then watch this video because I'm going to show you how you can get unlimited free ads. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I know that most of my subscribers are beginners and you don't have money to invest. And because of the current situation in the world, prices of ads are going up, and chances of beginners to become successful and start making money online are going down. So today I'm going to show you how you can get unlimited free ads and start making money just like this. And many of you told me that ClickBank doesn't work in your country, so today we are going to talk about JVZoo affiliate marketing. Okay, first I have to say you can apply this method on ClickBank, on Digistore24, on Warrior Plus. You can use it to promote your own product, to build your own list. But because we are talking about JVZoo affiliate marketing, what you need to do, you need to come on JVZoo and you need to register. Registration is simple and free. And after you register, you need to come on JVZoo Marketplace. And what you need to do, you need to click here on Browse to browse all the available products on JVZoo. And here you can see all the available products on JVZoo, but because we are talking about JVZoo affiliate marketing, I need to scroll here and I need to click on affiliate marketing, okay? And now JVZoo will give me all the available products that are related to affiliate marketing. And I'm actually going to sort this by sales. And what I like about JVZoo is you can actually see in how many copies this product is sold. For example, Affiliate Funnel Clones 2.0 is sold in 3,351 copies. That is what I like about JVZoo. And you need to scroll through these products, you need to research all of these products to find the right products to promote. So let's say I wish to promote this product here, Affiliate Builder. So I will open their sales page in new tab to check it out. Now you wish to check sales page of every product that you wish to promote, because if it is a good sales page, you will make more sales. But if it is a bad sales page, then you will make less sales. So what you need to do, you need to scroll through this sales page and check it out. And this actually looks like a good sales page. And later we will need their sales page and you will see why. So now when we have our product, next thing we need to do, we need to start promoting that product. And because most of the websites, most of the ad companies, they do not allow direct affiliate links. And that means that we actually need to make a landing page. We actually need to make a bridge page. If you want, you can use Google Sites. But for this example, I'm going to use System.io because System.io will give me more options and I can make more professional looking landing page. But if you want, you can use Google Sites if you want. And I will leave you a link in description to System.io so you can register for free. So after you register on System.io, what you need to do, you need to click here on menu and then click on funnels and you will come to this page here. And then you need to click here on create in upper right corner to create a new funnel. And here you need to give a name, so let's say test, okay? And you can choose one of these, doesn't really matter, so I will choose just build an audience. Scroll here and click create. And System.io will create your funnel. But this funnel is still not active, as you can see here. This is our squeeze page. But because this is a bridge page, we don't need thank you page. So I will just delete it, click here, remove funnel step, click here, and then click confirm, and that's it. I removed this step. And now I need to choose a template for my squeeze page in this case. So let's say I will choose this one here, but there is a plenty of templates that you can use. But like I said, I will just use this one, click here on select, and that's it. I activated my squeeze page. But now I actually need to edit this squeeze page to adjust it to my own needs. So I will click here to edit page, click here. And here you can see your squeeze page, but when you scroll here, you will see there is lots of things that you actually don't need. So you can remove all of these things. Just click here on this trash can, click OK, and that's it. I removed this. And again, I don't need this either. Just click here OK, and I removed this also. So I will pause this video on a second just to remove all of these things that I don't need. Okay, I removed all those things that I don't need, so now I need to go back on their sales page and let's say I will just copy this, highlight and Ctrl C for copy, go back on System.io and I will actually add that here and I will just paste it here and I will actually change the color of this field. So I will just scroll here and then click here on text background color. Click here and let's say, for example, yellow. Okay, I will leave it as a yellow. And now I need to change this. So again, go back on their sales page and I can copy this, Control C, go back on system.io, double click here, and I will actually change this, just paste it here. And I can change letter style. So I will just click here on, and I will find right letter style. So I can just choose Anton, for example, and here you can see. And I will actually change letter spacing. Here, just click here on letter spacing. Let me just click like this. Okay, this looks better. And I will change this as well. So go back on their sales page and I will simply copy this. Control C and double click here. And I will change this as well. And I will actually make this bold. So just click here on this B and now it is bold. And here I have call to action. Okay, just click on that button. And I'm going to scroll here and I'm going to say something like this. Grab your copy and these arrows here. And really important, now you need to add your affiliate link, your JVZoo affiliate link. Simply go back on JVZoo, and the thing about JVZoo is you actually need to apply for each product. On ClickBank or Digistore24, you simply click on promote and you will get your affiliate link. On JVZoo, you need to apply to become affiliate for that product. But in 99% of cases, you will be approved. And then you can go back on system.io and then scroll here. Let me just scroll. And here where it says URL, you need to paste your JVZoo affiliate link. Okay? And you can also add your image or a video. Now, landing page should be simple because you don't want anything to distract their attention of the main purpose, and that is to click here on grab your copy. But you need to add image or a video. So to do that, just click here and you can scroll here and, for example, click on image. And you can upload image from your computer. You can simply find image on their sales page or affiliate tools page. I already have an image, so I will just go back here and click select file. And this is the image. So let me just, okay, this is the image. Give it a few seconds to upload that image. Okay. And just click here on insert and that's it. And actually that moved this image down below and I will just move it. Okay, here, as you can see, new software create completely automated, done for you affiliate sites in just minutes. No content creation needed, no APS needed, completely automated. And then here I have a screenshot of their sales page and then click here and then I have a button, grab your copy. I leave here social proof, doesn't really need that, but I left it, okay? And after you are satisfied how your bridge page looks, all you have to do, here in upper right corner, click on Save Changes. Give it a second and then click here on Exit. And that's it. You created your bridge page in just 5 minutes, totally free. Really easy, right? So this is the link of your bridge page here. And the next thing we need to do, we need to actually start driving traffic to our bridge page. And for that, we are going to use a website called World Profit. You can join World Profit for free and these guys will basically distribute your ad to thousands of websites totally free. Like I said, registration is free. Just click here on join our free membership and then just add your name and your email and you will need to go through simple registration process and this is really important. After you are registered, you will need to confirm your email, but you actually need to tell them to send you confirmation email. That button will show somewhere right here, okay? If you don't do that, then you cannot post ads. Now that is really important. You need to tell them to send you confirmation email. And this is your dashboard. And here you can see how it looks. Here you can see there are some guys who will actually make everyday live chat. And from time to time, you can actually find a really good guys who will help you with your small business, even with your online business. And you can chat for free. Just click here and start chatting with these people. Like I said, from time to time, you can find really good people who will help you a lot. Now, what we wish to do is, we actually need to click here on the left side on free classified ads, on place ad free. Okay, that is really important. And then you will come to this page here, and what you need to do, you need to click here on post ad on upper right corner. And here you need to add the title of your ad, so I can simply go back on their sales page and I can simply copy this, okay? Control C, and I can go back here and I can paste it here. Now here you can see that you need 10 ad credits, but you don't really need it. You can post an ad even on a free account. So just regard this. So now I need to add a body, I need to add an ad copy. So again I can go back on their sales page and I can simply, for example, copy this. Okay, Control C, go back here and I can paste it here. Now of course you will make a better ad copy. I'm doing this just for the purpose of this video. And now you need to add your URL. Now this is really important. You do not wish to add your affiliate link because like I said, many websites do not allow direct affiliate links. So you need to go back on system.io and you need to click here, okay, to copy the link to your bridge page. And then go back here and paste that link here, okay? This is the link to my bridge page on system.io. And then just you need to scroll here and you need to choose categories, and that is make money now, and you need to choose one subcategory. So let's say network marketing, for example, and let's say business opportunities and affiliate marketing, okay? And then just go back here and click on post ad and you will post your ad. And here you can see they will deliver your ad to 1,457 websites. And their list is growing every day. They are adding new websites every day. And your ad will be posted in next 24 hours on all of these websites here. And like I said, you can use this not just for JVZoo affiliate marketing, you can also use it for ClickBank, for Digistore24, Warrior Plus to promote your own product, to build your mailing list or whatever you want. And you can promote product from any niche you want. So this is how you get unlimited free ads for your affiliate marketing. That's it for today, guys. If you wish to see more ways to make money online, make sure to subscribe to my channel and also don't forget to like this video. And also on your right side you can see more videos that you can watch on YouTube that may help you to make money online.